Hi everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Omegle on your phone, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my mobile browser right here, and it can be any mobile browser. It doesn't matter if you're, for example, using Firefox or like Safari, for example. Just go into your mobile browser, and then I'm just going to search for Omegle in here. So I'm going to search for Omegle, and as you can see, I'm currently on the Omegle's website right now on my mobile, and in here we can either click where it says start a chat or video. For this tutorial I'm just going to click where it says start a chat, but before I actually do so, you can also click where it says meet strangers with your interest. So for example, you can just write an interest in here, for example TikTok or something like that, or anything else, and then I'm just going to click on done. You can actually write multiple interests as well if you want to, and when you're done, just click where it says start a chat or video basically. And you need to obviously like acknowledge that you have read their like terms of service and stuff like that in here, as you can see, and also you must be 18 plus or 13 plus to use Omegle. So basically I'm just going to click here and then click on confirm and continue. So as you can see, you're now like chatting with a random stranger in here, and you will be able to basically chat with somebody in here if you click on chat on Omegle. You can also of course use the video option, and yeah, basically this is exactly how to use Omegle right now. If you want to find a new stranger, then just click on new in the bottom like left corner, so just click on new, and you will be able to get a new stranger. So basically this is exactly how to use Omegle in like on your phone in 2022 as of right now basically. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.